This is Marsden Valley. It's at the top of the South Island in the region of Nelson. It's a really popular nature reserve and many tourists like to come here too. In the summer, people like to bring their kids along for picnics and have a play in the river. It's very natural, undisturbed countryside. There's the quarry. Our beautiful river. Our native flaxes. The billbirds and waxeyes, like those birds, bushes over there. This is a really popular tramping track. Also mountain cyclists come up here too at times, but more for tramping. It's a bird nesting box to encourage birds like waxeyes and fantail. This is a stoat track coming up here. Conservationists are always working on trying to eradicate stoats and rats too. They can be a real problem to the native bird species. This is an extension of the track. The track leads in a loop. Up above there's all the forestry. Here we have a picnic area. It's a meadow. A lot of school children came a few years back and planted a whole lot of native trees for conservation. The track goes into a loop, but there's another track that goes much further up, and we've walked the loop and we've come right back to where we've started.